So make sure we have the right hat. The Magnificent Mountain Men of Colorado. Why is the hat important? The hat is important because today we're going to fly the Pearl, the E-20 Pearl. Why is the hat so important? Well, it's the plane of that club. So this is the most modern of the designs in our mini or micro series of old gas models for E-20 and capacitor flying. And it's definitely very, very influential airplane. So interesting note, the granddaddy of the Pearl is in fact the Stomper. I mean, if you look at the two of them, they're vastly different. So how in the world did the Stomper give birth to this boxy thing? Well, the way is this. The Stomper ultimately led to the development of, well, it was a direct development into the Zoot Suit and then into the Dixielander. Dixielander, if you set it beside a Pearl, you start seeing a little bit of design similarity, slight differences. But the bottom line is the Dixielander influenced the creation of a design in 1960 called the Dynamo. Now, if you set a Dynamo next to a Pearl, you start seeing some similarities. They're virtually identical in many ways, except for the fact that the Dynamo, much like its predecessors, the George Fuller's designs, the Dixielander and whatnot, they have high aspect ratio wings, so do the Dynamo, and this does not have a high aspect ratio wing, not by comparison. So fast forward 10 years to 1969, 1970, somewhere in that area, and an American, Bill Chenault, said, "Wheel, the British are having fun with this basic configuration. Maybe we can boil it down to something American style and a little bit faster." So that requires shrinking the wing down in terms of the aspect ratio, and there we go, the Pearl. And the Pearl has influenced most gas models that have been designed since. So, or at least on this side of the pond it has. So anyway, without further ado, let's take this thing and see how it flies. It is in fact quite windy out here. We've got a tropical storm off the coast. Actually, it's made landfall now, so it's fairly close in. So this will be a little interesting, videoing and flying in the wind. Well, that's not half bad. Let's try it again. What we'll do is I'll toss it up and around like this, see if I can get it to transition in. Sorta. I don't have a whole lot of right turn, and I want to fix that. So we need a little more right turn. I like flying these right-right. I know some people fly them right-left. I think Deloach, at least at one point, flew Pearls to in right-left. But let's see what we can get going here, and then we'll add some rudder tab if we need to. Wow, look at that. Very nice. So I put a little rudder tab on here for some right rudder. And you'll notice, I don't know if you can see real well, but there's some wash in on the right wing. Left wing's flat, a little bit of washout in both tips. So let's see here. Right turn, and that glides nice, especially considering he's getting thrown around in this wind. Yeah, we're powered up. Not ideal conditions, quite windy. I hope this does not try to spiral in on me. So what I'm going to do is fire it up and then hold it for a second before I let it go so it doesn't have time to get too far away. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, there it goes. Needs a little wash in. Alright, so I put a wash in wedge here. It's not even focusing. There we go. On the right wing. Also cut down that wedge on the rudder just a little. Gurney flap that it is. And that wind is something else. Alright, here goes. And looking pretty good. Why he's getting tossed around up there. turn's not holding as well as I had hoped. Oh well. Come on, DT. This flying session is off to a typical start. Yeah. Okay, so far looking good. Of the E-20s, this one and the Stardust are the two that have gone the most according to how I expected them to trim out. Whatever that means. Anyway, next flight. Nice right hand steep spiral. Good rollout into the glide. Left hand glide, a little stall, and DT. All right. Throw it up a little.
There it goes! Right there!
Nice rollout.
I see my
Yeah.
turtle.
Need some nose weight, I think. There you go. Put some nose weight on it and throw it up a little bit when it's, yeah, I don't want to go. Oh, perfect rollout. Let's see if the stall damps out this time. Yes, it does. Very nice. And down we come. Go. Yeah. A few of you have asked if I ever lose airplanes. Well, you notice this one's not the same color? Yeah, this is a new airplane. I lost the other one. That last flight, it's gone. Anyway, yeah, Pearl's a pretty sweet airplane. I highly recommend it. Especially if you, have the intelligence to not fly it on a windy day on a small field and let it go in the trees. So anyway, check it out on our website. We'll see you. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.